Oh.
It's a bit windy today.
A little bit.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So it's not actually morning anymore. It's
early afternoon now.
It's 20 to 2.
Oh, it's early afternoon now.
But we're going for a drive about an hour away to Snowdon. We're going to see if we can get a little hike. We're not going to hike all the way to the top. We're not too late. It's about a 7-hour hike apparently. But we're going to stop off at some waterfalls on the way, which my dad's just told me about. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We're just going to wing it. Hopefully see some waterfalls, hopefully see Snowdon.
Fingers crossed.
And grab some food maybe.
Yeah. So pictures on the highlights, like and follow, all that jazz. You guys do you. This is for head of security. Hey.
It's raining.
Yeah, and full on us, we only brought hoodies. We're at
Conwy Falls.
Conwy Falls. Yeah, £1.50 to get in, which is nothing.
Yeah.
Couple of minutes walk. Don't know if you're able to hear it in the video just yet, but we'll get a clip of it. Oh.
Yeah, we haven't actually found the falls yet. We found this tree.
Very nice tree. Oh yeah, blue hairs.
And took some pictures.
But yeah, you can hear the rushing water from here.
Yeah, down that way somewhere.
We've lost Lindsay's dad. Gone, isn't he?
He's somewhere in Wales.
Yeah, he was like, "Oh, I'll go on ahead and I'll let you know what happens, and then I'll probably see you there." And we were like, "Yeah, cool, Barry, you do you."
Then he rang and said, "Go to the waterfalls."
So we're like, "Yeah,
we're
cool,
here.
we'll go to the waterfalls. That sounds good." And he's not here. What do you mean, Barry? How is it up there?
It's okay, it's quite comfortable. Well, that was fun.
We're going to devise a plan on how to steal this dog. Oh, bless him. Hi.
We're back. So we stopped at the cafe at the falls, Conwy Falls Cafe. It's actually really nice. We've got a cup of tea, or 2 cups of coffees, and
a couple of lemon drizzle and a rocky road view.
We're just had it in the car because we were boiling after the trek to the
it was quite
waterfall.
quite stuffy down there.
So yeah, now we're gonna carry on our drive. It's actually already 3:30. We're gonna try not to eat too much because we're cooking in the pod tonight. We're leaving Wales tomorrow, so we may as well make the most of our last full day here.
Yeah, it's been beautiful. It's been absolutely beautiful while we've been here.
But we'll be back.
We will, for sure.
We've just seen Go Below here as well, where you can go...
Yeah, like underground rafting.
Yeah, under the mountain, which sounds really good. So we're going to look at booking that for next time as well. So, yeah, we've got plans to return.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll finish our coffees. We'll go find Papa.
To the next step.
To the next step.
I can do this in the van, stop having dinner, coffee,
So,
I don't think we're quite up Snowdon.
we're not, but we found a beautiful place. It's all the clouds and the mist is swirling the mountain, like the cliffs and the mountains.
So it shows how high we are.
We're very new to the YouTubing, Instagramming sort of thing, but we're enjoying it, aren't we?
Yeah.
So if it goes somewhere, awesome, fingers crossed. But if not, whatever.
I think it's a nice little hobby. Like, it's going to be something nice for us to look back on, even if no one else is wanting to see it. We think what we're doing is really fun because we're actually doing it.
Yeah, and we're watching our videos like that is hysterical. But it might not be.
But we're planning on doing a year of travel
We'd
in
love to
the
do a
next
year of
couple of
travel.
years,
Um,
and vlogging it along the way. But again, it might just be our family and friends that see it. But I think it's nice to keep people in
the loop?
In the loop, yeah. So whether anyone we don't know wants to watch,
yeah, fantastic.
we already love watching back our Indonesia vlogs, which we weren't really vlogging them, we were just doing like home videos, and we love watching them back. So
Yeah.
this is a good way for us to, like, when you take videos and you take pictures, they just end up on your phone for ages, but when you put them together into a video with some music, it's just, and bang it on YouTube, it's just really easy to watch back, isn't it?
It is.
Rather than having to look through all your photos and all your videos.
Yeah,
So,
like, don't get me wrong, we don't pretend to have the best equipment, we don't pretend to have any idea what we're doing at all.
No idea.
But if you do watch us, then all you can expect is that we are just having a good time and we want to share it with people.
yeah.
You know,
And we don't, half the time we don't know what we're doing.
We've got
just,
no idea what we're doing. We don't know many hacks. We don't know many good techniques. But what we do know is how to have a good time.
I was gonna say that.
Oh, I did a little pump. Sorry. Lindsay's dad has driven his RV motorhome up here. We've followed him close behind. Got some amazing pictures, haven't we?
Yeah,
got
like,
some really good videos.
We know we left too late to actually climb Snowdon or hike Snowdon, but just even if we didn't get out of the car, driving around here is so nice. It was there, you nearly had it. Yeah. There. Oh, you missed it. You've gone too far.
Right, where have I got to get across?
You got to cross the river. You take your shoes and socks off.
Right.
How do we get back? Pretty easy down there.
Ooh.
Managed to get Dad across the water, and we're gonna head up this way and find the secret pool.
Up this slope here. Up that way. There.
I'm soaked. I'm absolutely soaked. Lindsay and her dad were like, no, don't go up that way. Come up this way. And I was like, no. I'm committed now. I'll go this way. Fell straight through the marsh. Went straight up my leg. Both legs. And now, I'm carrying half the marsh in my shoes. I'm squelching all over the place. Oh, this is very steep.
Okay, so Jack is up there somewhere. Dad is over here somewhere. And I'm here somewhere. We've been separated.
Now I've got to get my way down. Like I said, Lee and her dad, Barry, decided to go a different way. Just to give you a bit of perspective of how high up I am. Look at the tiny little people. Yeah. Come to Wales. This is my little model. She's beautiful. I've been able to hear a guy in the mountains shouting for ages. He's just up there on his own, shouting. He's not with anyone. Like, he's crazy. He's a crazy guy. Love him. Think he's mint. But I don't know if okay. Now I don't know if he's shouting at me to come up there. Oh God. Okay. That was to me. He said, come on, come up here. Can you hear that? He's barking. Crazy guy. Don't blame him though, because that looks gorgeous.
Polo! He made it!
Barely.
So we're all back in one piece. Dad doing his bit. People coming to Snowdon and leaving the litter. So we're having our first meal that we're cooking ourselves today. We've got this little pouch noodle kit. We just had to buy the chicken and the spring onions. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So far, so good. So each of these pods, there's 3 of them, or lodges, they each have this barbecue outside. You can use it as either a barbecue or what are they called? A heater.
Yeah.
So yeah, and you can get your logs and your charcoal on site. So you just give them a text and they bring it over. So it's really, really good. We're just gonna spend some time outside because the sky is so clear. I think we said before. You can see
I think we did
stars.
mention it. I think you mentioned it before.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a nice night.
It is.
What, you got a picture of Dad?
Your boyfriend.
Jackie P likes his coffee. No, don't get it close with me.
Oh, I nearly fell.
Oh well, the channel's on me anyway. Why do we do this to ourselves? I'm going back this way. Downhill. Yeah.
We're back!
Is my finger in the right place? Am I famous? Around here? Is it around there?
Do you want me to point? There, oh, there.
We found Lindsay's dad.
Yay!
We found him. There.